In this module, we will look at financial promotions. Under Section 21 of the Act, an unauthorised person must not in the course of business communicate an invitation or inducement to engage in investment activity unless either the content of communication is approved for the purposes of Section 21 by an authorised person, or it is exempt. Under Section 25 of the Act, a person commits a criminal offence if he carries on activities in breach of the restriction in Section 21 of the Act. A person who commits this criminal offence is subject to a maximum of 2 years imprisonment and an unlimited fine. However, it is a defence for a person to show that he took all reasonable precautions and used all due diligence to avoid committing the offence. Another consequence of a breach of Section 21 of the Act is that certain agreements could be unenforceable. This applies to agreements entered into by a person as a customer as a consequence of a communication made in breach of Section 21.